And it's not just a question of using neuroimaging and or neurogenetics to depict what's going on in the brains, literally from the genes to the level of its structure to the expression of its functions. But if I can drift into what appears to be bellicose or military terminology, but to target those things, targets to affect those things, developing improved means and much more stereospecific approaches to accessing the brain, not crudely, but ever more creatively, not just highly invasively, increasingly non-invasively, utilizing other forms of technology and engineering, such as nanoparticulate matter that we can then create into sensors and transmitters that can be inhaled, ingested, rubbed on, that can then be migrated into the brain to form vast arrays of sensors and transmitters to be able to read information from the living brain and write information into the living brain in real time remotely. This is a current project of the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency here in the United States called NCUBE, Next Generation Non-Invasive Neuromodulation. But wait a minute. If what we're doing is literally taking information, data from the living brain, extracting it in real time, interpreting it, and in those interpretations, imbuing those data with meaning, that's a literal definition for reading. We're reading the functions of the brain, which we call mind. That's mind reading. Because if, in fact, that same technology that allows us to literally read the mind by scanning and interpreting the data we get from the structures and functions of the brain, and the inverse of that is that we can then write into the living brain, that's mind control. We love to think that one of the things that we always do with these types of data are aim them towards the good. Oh,